Hello everybody, I hope that you are well. Today's video, we will cover how to read a range and convert it to a data table in UiPath and see how to filter this table. I have created an Excel file related to human resources, and the data consists on, first of all, in column A we can see the names of the employees of the company. After that, in column B we have the salary. And finally, in column C, we have the status. For example, Katie is a team member and Mary is a manager. So the robot will read this information, and after that, it will filter by different conditions that we will establish. Okay. First of all, we use the read range activity in system. And we will read the whole Excel file, and after that we create a data table variable. Okay, the next step will be to use the filter data table activity. We click on filter wizard and we see this screen. We have the input data table. This one must be the variable created with the information that the robot read. And in output data table, we can create another variable to save the data that we will filter. In filter rows, we can click on keep to save only the filtered data in detail 1, and if we pressed remove, all the data will be saved in the variable is set for the conditions we are going to set. In this case, we will use the keep, and we will filter by manager. We write the name of the column that we want to filter, and in operation we will use the equal, so the robot must search the value that we will write right now. Manager. It's important to write it in quotations marks so the robot can read it accordingly. Then we will use the write range activity. Okay, we will use the same path, but we will write another name, results. Okay, the name of the shape, and here it will write in a whole Excel file, and the dt1, the variable that contains the filter data. Then we run the robot, and we see that the Excel has been created and the information is with just manager. We see that the headers are not here now, and the reason is because in write range activity we have to select the add headers, and if we run again, sorry, we have the headers now. Okay, so Michael and Mary are managers. And if we have put the remove, it will contain all the information except the manager values. We run, and we see that we have all information except for the status manager. Okay. On the other hand, when filtering data tables, it is possible to use another filter. To add another filter, we must click on the plus button and use and or. If we use and, it must be there must be the two conditions. And if there is or the first one or the second one condition. In this case, we will filter by a status team member and also by the column B salary and this one must be less than 30 and we will use the dot to separate, okay, as a comma, and then we run and we see that just for the less than 30,000 of salary and for team member is Thomas the only one that contains or accomplish these criteria. And also we could have used the less than or equal to 30,000. And if we run, we see that we have two employees that accomplish these two conditions. They are team member, but Casey gains 30,000 and Thomas 25,000. So I hope you like this video. In this video we have seen how to filter data tables with RPA UiPath. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and do not miss future videos related to data tables. Goodbye and have a nice day.